Hello and welcome to my 3D printed smile channel. My name is Luke and I'd like to share with you a 6-month update on my 3D printed teeth. So if this is your first time watching, I had all my teeth pulled and 3D printed teeth installed as dental implants exactly 6 months ago today. And so I felt like I should answer some questions that people might have 6 months post-op. So with that being said, I will just share with you a couple things that I have experienced in that 6 months and whether or not it's a good thing to do or not. I'll share with you at the end. So one question I've gotten is, did my temporary set of teeth break? And the answer is yes. Yes, they did. So when you have dental implants installed, sometimes they put temporary set that are printed with a high strength resin material, and sometimes those resin teeth don't hold up the best when you're eating different harder foods. One tip that somebody mentioned the other day is that if it crunches, stay away from it. And I added, because if that crunch sound, it actually might be your 3D printed teeth snapping in half. So definitely a good tip is if the food item makes a crunch noise, don't eat it. Probably stay away from that because very good chance that you might crack your teeth like I did. So I did snap the bottom lower temporary set twice. They're actually still snapped right now. My top set has been good the whole time. All 6 months I have not had to get this top set replaced. I have had this one replaced once, and now this is the second set, and this is also snapped. So I am hoping to get my permanent zirconia set teeth in. Now, once I can better afford them, that's when that'll happen. But until then, these temporaries are holding up pretty darn good. Now, another question that I wanted to answer is, do they feel natural? Do these teeth feel natural? And I'd like to say, yes, they do. It takes a little while, but believe it or not, I have adopted these teeth pretty much naturally, from the way I talk, to smile, to eating. I'm pretty confident with them at this point. I don't think I have a lisp when I talk. Let me know if I do. But it feels pretty natural. So that's something that I was kind of concerned about, is does a foreign object installed in your mouth, what's it gonna feel like? And I don't really think much of it at all. So that's definitely a benefit to these. I think they look very nice and they've held up pretty well so far. You just want to do some maintenance, still want to brush your teeth, you still want to use your water flosser to help get some stuff from underneath the dental implants, because these are the ALL-on-4 set on the bottom and the ALL-on-5 on the top. So I've really appreciated them so much, because I am no longer in pain is the biggest thing. So, and that leads me to a final question. Was it worth it? And I will say 1000% worth it. Main reason being is because I am no longer in dental pain. Constant aches, can't sleep because of that pain, so unbearable. No longer in that pain. So was it worth it? Yes, because now I can sleep, I can do things with my family, my son. I feel like a completely new man, and that makes it worth it just in itself, let alone the health benefits that you can eat your foods that you weren't able to eat before, and you feel more confident when you're speaking with people at work or at family events, and it's a life changer. So 1000% worth it if you choose to get dental implants, if you're at that point. Now, I know everybody is different, so consult your dentist to see what may be best route for you, because they may want to save your teeth. That may be in your best interest too. So definitely consult your dentist before you go any of these routes with pulling all of your teeth like I did. I was at a point where I was 33 years old and I had rotted my teeth out to the point where I had no other options but to get this. So I'm very thankful that this technology is out there, and especially the 3D printed technology and the brilliant doctors that helped facilitate this happening, because it's a huge surgery, a huge operation. A lot of respect for anybody in the dental care and field, because man, that's just crazy stuff to be in. But I just wanted to end this here and thank you for watching. I will come out with some more videos in the future. I know this isn't my normal office, but I feel like I give you guys a little bit of a cool background of the lake to watch while I'm speaking. So have a nice day, and we'll talk to you again next time.